In this video, let's see how to install Ford wheel spacers.
Ford Mustang wheel spacers are safe to use as long as the wheel spacers are installed correctly. Before installing, we need to prepare the tools: the jack stand, wheel spacers, sandpaper, cover, torque wrench, cross spanner, and brake cleaner. Loosen the lug nut on the front wheel side in a diagonal sequence using a cross spanner, but do not remove them altogether. A better safety measure would be placing jack stand to support each end of the car. Remove lug nut on the front wheel side using a cross spanner. Remove the wheel off the hub and set it to the side. Look at the wheel hub assembly for rust. You can use a brake cleaner to remove them. Remove any rust and dirt from the wheel hub with a rag. Widen the entire surface to ensure it is smooth, because all of that surface may cause the wheel spacer to not fit perfectly with the hub. BONOSS Forge active cooling Ford wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation gauze to make brake cooling better. Distribute in petal shape. These gauze allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the Ford wheel spacers. These notches act as air collector which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Install the BONOSS Forge active cooling Ford Mustang wheel spacers. Then install the match lug nut. Tighten them with a torque wrench. Install the ring and then install the stock nut. Use a cross spanner to tighten them on the wheel. Make sure they are secure. Remove the jack stands. Slowly lower the car until the tires fully touch the ground and remove the jack. Use a torque spanner to tighten the lug nut to the specific torque. Always tighten them in a diagonal sequence. This will ensure that the lug nuts work. BONOSS recommend checking the use of the wheel spacers every 6 months and checking the vehicle operation to ensure safe driving.
If you have any question about the wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.